So today I'm gonna actually show you how to make something really easy to make. I'm calling this the beginner beet episode because it's for anybody who actually has never cooked before or are new to cooking. It's really easy, really delicious. Beets are one of my favorite foods, not only because they're red and red is my favorite color, but they're very grounding. Any root vegetable is. So what I did is I washed the beets, cut them off from their stems, put it in some aluminum, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. And you can use any oil, organic, fresh oil that you have ideally. Okay, and then we're adding salt to the beets. And then I'm gonna cover this up in aluminum, and I'm putting it in a little roasting pan, and I'm gonna bake this at 350 to cook for about an hour until they're super tender. So these are our already cooked beets. And just a little tidbit, you're gonna see some extra water here on the bottom, which is a good thing because it means that the water has left the beets and therefore has condensed the flavor of the beets. So these are gonna be extra rich beets. And the next thing that you do with beets to prepare them is you take the skin off. And so one of the easy ways to do that is I just turn a little bit of water on and then the skin's gonna come off really easy. Can you see that? Comes off really easy in your hands. And there you have your peeled beet. You know I'm tempted to just put the beet color all across my face because it will go with my outfit, right? They come right off in your hand. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut the beets up. We gotta cook our couscous. Okay, so I'm gonna put a cup and a half of water into the pot, and then I'm gonna bring it to a boil. So the water is boiling, and I'm just gonna add 1/2 cup of the couscous, and then I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna turn it off, and in 6 minutes, it's gonna be done. So we have our nice and fluffy couscous, and then I'm gonna show you how easy this is to put together. I love this olive oil, Nuvo olive oil. I get it fresh at the farmer's market. Some parsley, fresh lemon, and some finishing salt. Voila!
This food, sometimes it's like, can be so simple and it's the best.
That was the best song and the best dance ever.